morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will open the 30 Luminous butterfly magnet set that I bought from Outus on Amazon. The pattern. Let's look at the butterfly magnets from Outus. I bought the kit in April 2025 for $15.99 or about 53 cents per magnet. The price has gone down since then. I checked the listing and as of January 2026, the set is currently $14.99 or about 50 cents a magnet. Each magnet is 8 centimeters tall or 3.15 inches tall. There are 19 colors in this fun off-canvas butterflies kit. 13 of the colors are round crystal rhinestones. 6 are glow-in-the-dark drills. There are no DMC equivalents listed. The kit comes with a regular pink pen, a green tray, and wax. I kitted up using small bags. I finished this kit in about 11 hours in April and May 2025. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. It's easy to start and finish each of the 30 glittery butterflies. Since these are magnets, you don't need to budget for frames. You can put them up on your refrigerator as soon as you're done. Mine are protected with polyacrylic spray from Ace Hardware. When I finished them, I put them in envelopes and gave them as fun little gifts. There are glow-in-the-dark drills, but they don't glow very much. When I took them into a dark closet, there was some glow, but nothing that would show up on camera. Side quest. Originally, I was going to give each butterfly as an unfinished kit. I could put together the kits with plenty of diamond drill pens, trays, and different size baggies. But counting all those drills for each butterfly was mind-numbing. So I stopped and gave them as completed butterfly magnets instead of as little kits. Do you have a friend interested in diamond painting but overwhelmed by bigger projects? Spend a fun afternoon working on these together. All 30 butterflies took about 11 hours total. Maybe it would take an hour or less per butterfly working together with a friend or two. And then you could talk about the next diamond painting projects you plan to work on. These butterflies were fun to do. I recommend this kit and I'll look for more like it. Each butterfly can be a small treasure to work on when you don't have a lot of diamond painting time. It was a great palette cleanser between larger projects. And it's a nice way to introduce diamond painting to a friend. I hope you're having lots of diamond painting adventures in this new year. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.